Hi, I am Ashan. This is my third subject, LMOR, fourth week submission. Now my presentation structure is follow. Operation management introduce Amazon and inventory management of Amazon and triple bottom line, critical analysis, Amazon case study, supply chain management, human resource management, and data driven and decision making. Then we would like to see what are the operation management. Operation management is about the transformation of production and operational inputs and outputs that when distribute meet them needs to customer. Productivity. Productivity is output measured against input used to create it. It's measured by productivity equal output divided by inputs. If a worker makes more product in the same amount of the time, this productivity will be increased. Firms aims to productivity efficiency to be able to make more profits and compete against the competitors. I would like to introduce briefly Amazon. Amazon was founded 2001, 1994 in Seattle, United States of America, when Jeff Bezos founded the company. He wanted to create online marketplace of the books. However, as the company grew, it expanded its business into different products. Amazon has also entered the total unrelated business like cloud computing and artificial intelligence. We also enables to future technology in industrial 4 revolution. What are the more productivity in Amazon? Amazon normally using the automated as much as possible. Improving packaging output, reduce breakdown, improving incredible performance can match time, improving big sales force productivity. This is the benefit of the Amazon. Benefits of increasing efficiency and how to increase it. All the business will try to increase productivity. Then how to improve labor productivity? Increasing output with the same number of workers and keeping output at the same level but fewer workers. And benefit of increasing efficiency and how to increase it the productivity. Improving the skill level of workers, improving of the motivation of workers, introduce the more automation and more better technology, and improving the quality of management decision is very important thing, and improving the relationship between employee and employee. Inventory management. What is the inventory management? The processes of ordering, storing, and utilization company inventory to refer as the inventory management. This covers the storage and processing, the raw materials, component, and complete goods, as well as the administration of raw material, component, and finished product. Inventory management. What are the inventories? The stock of raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods held by the business. Why business hold inventories? Raw materials and component, there are needs to input of the production process and work in progress. That is the parts of finished goods that have not it completed the production process. And last one, finished goods, ready to be sold or sent off the customer. Then we like to see what are the inventory cost. Holding inventory at the business costs, such as warehousing cost. The business will need to rent out the purchase warehouse to storage their inventories. And handling cost. Inventories need to be moved into out of the warehouse. And shrinking cost. Sometime damage, loss of stolen inventories will need to be replaced. And insurance cost. This will cover the cost of loss from shrinking. Inventory management of Amazon. Inventory management of Amazon. Amazon being one of the most popular online shopping destination has developed a solid inventory management system. This enables to customers to provide last mile delivery as a service. Amazon FBA is a non-mandatory service available to Amazon support the marketplace. It focuses on the inventory, packaging, shipping, and the last mile delivery management. We strongly advise to utilize the techniques since they may really help to reduce regarding customer order. Improving inventory management techniques. Keep an eye on variation in supply and demand. Avoid unnecessary cost of storage and clearly communicate with the supply, then we can avoid the delay of the production and shipping. Take a timeout. Taking a break from the accepting order is one of the greatest methods to considering when you run off the stock. You don't want to disappoint present or future customer by failing to delivery orders on time. So it's the best time take a break to refill your inventories and plan your timing carefully. This slide we would like to see final outcome management inventory of Amazon. Although Amazon inventory management take effect, it may have a significant long-term influence on the organization. Proper Amazon inventory forecasting may help you retain customer and growth sale in addition to helping optimize your logistic and operation. This slide see the triple bottom line. This is the main theory part of people, planet, and profit. The triple bottom line is the business idea that is status rather than focus simply on create profits or traditional bottom line. Business should commit to analyze their social and environment impact, as well as the financial success, people, profits, and the planet. The triple bottom line. The people can fair employment and pay, training and development, community and benefit peoples, planet, eco-sensitivity, carbon reduction, and resource efficiency, and product. Produce internal profits, community financial, economic potential profits. Then we critically analyze triple bottom line for Amazon. The following are some of the most common complaints levels towards Amazon. The huge volume of packing has had the negative impact of the environment. Other activities that contribute the carbon dioxide emissions, including logistics and manufacturing. Their corporate offices and cloud service consume a lot of electricity. Concern about data privacy and massive energy consumption at the headquarters office and the cloud service. Cloud the supply chain management. This is the next topic. The supply chain is the network between company and it is the supply to produce a distribute a specific product to final buyer. This network includes different activities, people, entities, information, and resources. Supply chain also represent the step it takes to get the product and service from the organization state to customer. Supply chain management. This is the few supply chain management. Achieving the global optimization, conflicting objectives, a complex network of facilities, system variation over the time, managing uncertainty, matching supply and demand. Key issues the supply chain management, distribution network configuration, inventory control, supply contacts, distribution of strategy, supply chain integration and strategy planning, outsourcing the procurement strategies, supply chain management of the Amazon. Amazon employs the whole host of strategies from the traditional to high technology to products out of light in fast time all over the world. They are using the drone to deliver goods. The retailers also leverage existing delivery routes of the FedEx and UPS too. Supply chain management of Amazon. The Amazon supply chain management approach embrace the technology. The company utilized the countless automation and robotic solution, both to pick up and pick back orders as the well stuck in the storing inventories. These tools not only up the company efficiency and delivery speed, but they also cut down the warehouse and staffing cost, freeing up the funds of the other logistics supply chain need. If using this type things, we can efficiency of supply chain management, then Amazon will go sustainable. Human resource management. This is the last one. Human resource management is the practice recruiting, hiring, developing, and the managing organization employees. HRM is often referred to simply as the human resource is employee management with an emphasis of the employee asset and the business. Importance of HRM. Acquire and retain talent. Train people for the challenges role. Developing skill and competence. Remote promote team spirit. Development loyalty and commitment. Increase product and profits. How HR resource management benefit a company, organization culture and planning of change, training and development, managing of conflicts, health and safety requirement and retention. And we see what are the HRM activities of Amazon. Financially successful. Amazon provide the company salaries and other benefits to all employment and their family. Employee health, taking care of Amazon employees. Health and wellness in the priority. And caring for families. Our employees are recognized their work through the compensation and valuable benefit for themselves and patiently live. Amazon support the employee in the throughput all the strategy in their lives. If Amazon follow this HRM things, company will go efficiently and effectively sustainability. Benefit of CSR companies. By acting the sustainable responsibility way and access finance, investors are most like to back up the reputation of the business. Attraction possible media attention, reduce the regulation burden, identify new business opportunity. Data driven and decision making. What are the data-driven and decision-making? Data-driven decision-making is the process of using data to inform your decision-making process, the validity of course of action before commitment to do it. Data-driven as the decision-making, collecting survey responsible to identify product and service and features their customer would like. Conduct user testing to observe how customer are inclined to use product or service to identify potential issues that should be solved the priority of the world list. Launch new product and service in a test market. Analyze the shift of demographic data. Today, largest and most successful organizations use the data-driven decision making and driving sales of Amazon, leading ship development at Google, and real status of startups. Benefit of data-driven and decision making. You will become more proactive. You can realize cost saving. You will more confident decisions. In conclusion, it can be concluded that the operation management lead the company to improve the production and quality of the production supply. That provides the start of the just-in-time inventory. Total quality management, such as the just-in-time inventories, total quality management, and the concept to continuous the improvement can apply the company to sustain. The report should also consider the value of importance of operation management and bring into sustainability of organization and reference. Thank you all of you.